Connecting a device. There are many different devices that can be connected to your SmartThings Hub. In this video, we will use a motion sensor as an example. On your device, there may be a battery tab. You will need to remove this in order to activate your device. On your My Home screen, tap Add a Thing. Your SmartThings Hub will start searching for nearby compatible devices. It could take up to 2 minutes, but the app will let you know when it finds the device. Once found, tap Save. A message will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to pair this device. Tap OK. You have now successfully added your device, and it should appear in the My Home section of the SmartThings app. If we tap the name of the device, we can display some information about it. Tapping Recently, we can get information about its recent activity. In the case of the motion sensor, we can see whenever there has been motion in the last 7 days. There are many other devices that can be connected to the SmartThings Hub, which can do many different things. You can pop into your local electronics retailer and ask about smart devices. If you would like to know more about SmartThings and other assistive technology products, please visit the Digital Assisted and Supported Living area on our Sunderland Information Point website at www.sunderlandinformationpoint.co.uk.